Okay, good. So last time we discussed geodesic equation. We derived it from starting with action. Now I want to write this geodesic equation, which is of course in terms of space-time coordinates. I want to write it in much simpler manner, that is in terms of force velocity. So in terms of force velocity, it can be given as this: u alpha times covariant derivative of u mu. Let me write it better. So it's quite easy. To do that, we simply have to use the fact that u mu, the force velocity, is given by the derivative of space-time coordinate x mu with respect to the proper time s. And so we can write the geodesic equation using this definition as given. So the first term is like two derivatives of the space-time position plus gamma mu alpha beta dx alpha ds times dx beta by ds. And so I can replace these terms with the corresponding force velocity. So we get d by ds of, this will be u mu plus gamma mu alpha beta, and these two terms will be force velocity u alpha and u beta. And further, I would like to write this term as here. Let me just use this thing. So we can further write this as, wait, let's write, since u mu, the force velocity depends explicitly on the position, space-time position, we can write this: the derivative with respect to proper time of force velocity as this. So it's just simple manipulation. You remove these two things and you get back the derivative with respect to proper time. Okay, so if you look closely, this is nothing but the force velocity u alpha. So this means the derivative with respect to proper time of force velocity can be given as this term. And hence we can use this result to write our first term in the geodesic equation as, I'll just write it here, that u alpha du mu dx alpha plus, we have Christoffel symbol multiplied by two terms of force velocity like this. And now I will just take out the u alpha as common. So we get derivative of force velocity with respect to space-time position plus gamma times u beta being equal to 0. And we know that this term, it is nothing but the covariant derivative of force velocity u mu along alpha direction, and hence we get the form of geodesic equation as this. So quite a cool way to write geodesic equation, given that you know the covariant derivative. If you want to understand the derivation of geodesic equation and how Newtonian mechanics, Friedman equations, relativistic cosmology explains the behavior of our universe, please do check out my course on Udemy, The Introduction to Cosmology. The link is in the description. I'll see you next time.